Hey guys, looking for something quick, healthy, and filling? The Savory Buckwheat Pancake is gluten-free and packed with proteins and veggies, perfect for any meal of the day. So let's get started. Let's make the batter. In a bowl, take 1 cup of buckwheat flour, add 2 tablespoons of sweet corn, 2 tablespoons of green peas, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, and my favorite, dill. Chop the dill and add it to the batter. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to give the color and add a little bit of salt as per your taste. Now take a whisk and mix the ingredients. Add water to it batch by batch to make a flowy, smooth pancake-like batter. Now let's cook our pancake. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little bit of butter to it. Pour a ladle of batter and gently spread it like a pancake or roti. Cook on medium heat until the bottom is golden. Then flip your pancake and cook the other side. So while cooking other side, add a little bit of butter and add cheese to make it more tasty. After adding cheese, just flip the half of the pancake and then cook it for a few seconds, and your nutritious, delicious buckwheat pancake is ready. Serve it hot with yogurt, chutney, or enjoy it just like that. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and follow for more easy, healthy meals. Make your own version and share it. Thank you.